Hello everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big the CoinsKid cruise. So the other day XRP was in a micro sell, and right now it's in a micro buy. Okay, roughly floating around $2.20. We've got the bull market support band sitting at roughly $2.18 at the moment. So a few days ago, if we take a look at the micro greed level, you can clearly see we had that spike up where we went red, and pretty much since then we've been rolling over and coming back, and everyone's getting really fearful. But if we flip green again on the micro and we flip green on the macro, it's going to be a perfect entry point in my opinion. So is there anything else right now that's giving us a warning shot that we are about to see a move up over the next few weeks in crypto? Is there anything else that's telling us that? Well, there's an indicator that I create for yourselves called the liquidity dance. Okay, so you can get it on TradingView. It's up to you. You can drop into your TradingView charts, or you can come to the website and use it there. Okay, liquidity dance indicator. So what is happening right now in liquidity dance indicator that technically is bullish? Basically, it's really simple. We've got liquidity leaving the market. So every time we see a spike up, and if I zoom out right now to a year, every time we see a spike up, it's actually a window of opportunity where you'll see crypto XRP come back. But once this spike rolls over, just like it says here, a sharp drop in liquidity dance after a spike signals cash re-entering the system and encouraging investment. If this thing is spiking up right now, just like it did there, just like it did there, just like it did there, every time, even there, look, every time you see a spike up, usually within a few days XRP pumps. Okay, so this is what we need to see. If we're expecting a pump for XRP, we need to see this liquidity dance coming up the stairs and then drop, because every time it drops you'll see a pop in the XRP price action. So you can actually drop liquidity dance into your XRP chart. To do that, just go to the indicator section on coinskid.com, click liquidity dance, go to there and favorite it, and boom, it'll be in there. Okay, so let me dive into the XRP chart right now to show you what I'm looking at. Okay, so quickly before I do dive into the XRP chart with you, if you are looking for micro signals, okay, so at the moment I think the micro trade is not a short or sell, it's basically a buy or a long. But if you're looking for those micro signals, all you got to do is come to the index, this little arrow here, click it and go buy. Click buy and it will show you all the coins that are presenting buy signals on the micro time frames. We've got Ethereum, XRP, DOT, WEEF, so on and so forth. So go down there and find what you're looking for. Basically with XRP, you're looking for 5 waves down, you're looking for a bull div, which currently is printing on the micro time frames, okay, and 5 waves, obviously 5 wave counter, beautiful. So I think there may be a long opportunity presenting itself on XRP over the next few days, and the pump that I'm looking at in an indicator called liquidity dance may be revealing that. Okay, so let's dive into the chart right now. So looking at XRP on the daily time frame, we're getting really boring price action here. You know, it's terribly boring, isn't it? So you got this 3 wave down, 3 wave up, and you got another 3 wave down, you got another big monster 3 wave up, you got another little 3 wave down there, another 3 wave there, and right now you're in another 3 wave to the downside. So what we've got is all these complex 3 wave corrections, you know, and this is exactly what I think this is corrective price structure from left to right. I think we've just hit resistance and we're going sideways. So at the moment we can't get our ass back above the ribbon. You clearly see we're getting rejected. But once we get our ass back above the ribbon and print the green buy dot, I think we'll be, you know, in our final 5th wave here for XRP, because my primary at the moment is a 1 into a 2 into a 3 into a 4 into a final 5th wave to the upside. Now this wave 4 is very complex. I don't quite know exactly where the bottom is, but if we do start to break down below the ascend level support here, because we're getting compression from left to right, we've got this resistance. If from left to right we do break down, then I'll be targeting this buyback on this green line at roughly $1.26. But for me to tell you it's going to do that right now, without obviously, you know, the fact that we're breaking down or whatever, I'll be talking like my bumhole. Obviously it's a target if we do start to lose support. So it's all about this ascend level support. I do think as we push close to this apex, we will see some kind of reaction. So why am I anticipating something like that for XRP? It's really simple. It's because the liquidity dance right now is doing exactly what we need to see if we're looking for a move to the upside for XRP. Look at this. So let me drop this down, okay? So this spike up in liquidity dance, where liquidity is being withdrawn and then re-entering the market, the fact that it spikes up is a clue to that, okay? Because as it starts to draw down, you get a big move to the upside. Just there, spike up, move to the upside. Spike up, move to the upside. Spike up, possibly, because it's done it before, doesn't guarantee it's going to do it again, but you know, if it starts to draw down like this, oh no, it's going to 0, but then liquidity starts to re-enter the market, then XRP should pump to the upside right on cue, right towards the apex right there. So keep an eye on this, because obviously if liquidity continues to be withdrawn, then XRP is in a world of trouble and it's coming down a lot deeper than I actually anticipate right here for XRP. But at the moment I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. If you are looking for a pump on XRP or crypto, this is doing exactly what you want to see right now. So I'll leave you with that. If you want to get liquidity dance into your charts, go to coinskid.com. But from left to right, we're getting really compressed, and we keep seeing a series of 3 waves in this compression that's going to lead to expansion. So I'm going to trade this move, whatever whatever direction, long, short, whatever. I'm going to trade this move and make a lot of money, okay? Stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay up, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to another update in XRP. Bye-bye.